Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's 2026, Blender 5 is out, geometry nodes are insane, EV Next is looking photoreal, but you know what makes the real difference? The right free add-ons? Today, I'm sharing my personal top 10 must-have free Blender add-ons that I genuinely use almost every single day in 2026. These will save you hours, fix annoying pain points, and level up your modeling, texturing, animation, and environments. All of them are 100% free, either built into Blender, from the official Blender extensions platform, or free downloads. Links in the description, timestamps below. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a Blender tip. Let's jump in. This procedural scar system is absolutely brilliant. One-Corn Hunter Sam creating geometry nodes plus curves-based scar generation in Blender 5? That's the kind of character detail tool we need. Procedural scar generation means infinite variations without manual sculpting. Draw a curve, get realistic scarring perfect for character randomization. Wipe tests looking this good already? Can't wait to see the final system. The detail and realism potential here is incredible. This is perfect for game characters, fantasy characters, warriors, anyone needing battle damage or weathering. The time savings would be massive. Free Snow Generator Blender add-on, a valuable addition to your Blender software. This add-on allows you to effortlessly create realistic snow effects, enhancing the visual appeal of your projects. With its user-friendly interface and versatile features, you can easily customize the snow settings to achieve the desired effect. Elevate your animations, scenes, and designs with the free Snow Generator Blender add-on, available now for download. Mesh Attachment Add-on, Quick Attach, created by Kushiro, is a free Blender add-on designed to simplify the process of attaching one mesh onto the surface of another. Instead of relying on modifiers or dealing with shrink wrap issues, the tool directly connects geometry to a target face, producing clean and solid results. This makes it especially useful for placing decorative elements onto larger meshes, such as pipes, vehicles, or background structures. Options such as bending all faces, depth offset, or merge geometry let users fine-tune how the source adapts to the target surface, from preserving its shape to fully bending with the curvature. AutoTrack. AutoTrack streamlines the VFX workflow by automating the tedious process of 2D feature tracking and camera solving. It uses smart logic to track markers forwards and backwards, analyzes track density on a sub-step level, and uses a dual-pass solver to find the best possible reconstruction error. Ever wanted more realistic surface detail without adding extra geometry? The Parallax node add-on makes parallax mapping easy, bringing true depth to your textures right in the shader editor. Parallax node provides custom nodes for creating parallax mapping effects in shader materials. Many Parallax node setups already exist, so the concept itself isn't new. What makes this one truly different is its user-friendly design. Instead of a complex node group, this implementation is a single, special node that directly contains the height map texture and allows you to control the iteration count internally by adjusting the step parameter. Parallax mapping is a technique used in 3D graphics to enhance the illusion of depth and detail on flat surfaces without adding actual geometry. It works by displacing texture coordinates based on a height map, elevation image, and the viewing angle, creating the appearance of surface relief and depth. Ever wished you could bring that classic cartoon smear frame look into your 3D animations? Meet the Smear add-on for Blender. Smear is a powerful stylization tool for Blender, created by John Bassett and team. It lets you easily create and customize 3 classic smear frame effects: elongated in-betweens, motion lines, and multiple in-betweens. Just select your animated object, adjust your parameters, and hit Bake Smears. Get instant results, perfect for stylized, cartoony action. You can tweak everything from smear length, motion line thickness, to transparency of duplicates. It even works with both simple objects and rigged characters. Frustrated by empty asset libraries and misleading download sites? Let's talk about BlenderKit, the platform that just hit an insane milestone. Over 100,000 assets now available. You heard right, models, materials, HDRIs, node groups, even printables, all in one spot, built into Blender. The big problem creatives face? Wasting hours hunting assets or getting stuck with basic cookie-cutter models. BlenderKit's secret sauce? Nearly 2,300 creators making unique, free assets anyone can use. Real community, real choice. BlenderKit is offering a 30% discount on its full plan subscription designed for small teams and providing access to more than 57,000 models. Are you ready to take your Blender workflow to the next level? Meet UQPaint, a free and open-source Blender add-on that simplifies managing images, textures, and vertex colors like a pro. With UQPaint, you can organize your projects with layers, add masks, and even use clipping masks similar to Procreate, but in Blender. Whether you're painting rocks, designing taiyaki, or creating anime-inspired art, this add-on makes it all seamless. The latest update, UQPaint 2.4.0, introduces a dedicated alpha channel, a decal constraint, and a sponsors panel to support its incredible developers. UQPaint 2.4, combining decals and displacement with height-based blending to add detail with precision. This can all be baked down into a material or even a 3D model. Looking to add some jaw-dropping Sci-Fi FX to your Blender projects? Meet the Sci-Fi FX shader add-on. This powerful tool lets you create cinematic visual effects with zero hassle. The best part? It's fully procedural. You get node-based controls and animated parameters to customize everything to your vision. No limits, no compromises. From pulsing energy fields to futuristic holograms, this shader was designed with sci-fi creators in mind. Whether you're designing motion graphics, sci-fi environments, or cinematic scenes, this add-on will elevate your project to a whole new level. Are you ready to take your retopology game to the next level? Meet PolyQuilt, the must-have Blender add-on for anyone looking to speed up and simplify manual retopology. PolyQuilt is a fork of the original tool by Sakana 3, revamped by Dan Gree to work seamlessly with Blender 4.2 and newer. It uses the new GPU module for better performance and comes with intuitive shortcuts to make retopology faster and smoother. Think of it like Quad Draw or Retopology Flow, but free and tailored for Blender. Draw quads, tweak vertices, and customize meshes effortlessly. QuickMagic AI motion capture technology has revolutionized the way artists bring their creations to life. QuickMagic is a new AI mocap service that aims to simplify and enhance this process. QuickMagic can convert 2D videos of human movement into 3D skeletal animation data, also known as motion capture data. While AI motion capture technology may have its limitations, QuickMagic stands out for its impressive qualities. QuickMagic produces grounded and stable motion, avoiding the common issue of floaty and weightless animation. It also excels at detecting when a foot is planted on the ground, resulting in more realistic and accurate movements. Check description for all links. That's my top 10 free Blender add-ons for 2026. Which one are you installing first? Drop it in the comments, I'm reading every single one. If this helped, smash that like button, it really supports the channel. Subscribe for more Blender 2026 tips, workflows, and free add-on spotlights. Links to every add-on below. Most install in under 30 seconds. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.